In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make your hairlines for your closure wigs, your frontal wigs look more natural. I know most people tend to go in and pluck the lace to make it look more natural, but I want to show you a method in which you don't have to pluck your lace, but rather you can even extend the length of your lace by, let's say, 1 inch to 2 inch, depending on how long you're willing to ventilate. So the first thing I did was just to lay the hairs on the closure area, so you can see how this closure came factory made on one straight line. So I got my ventilating pin. What I want to do now is to take some strands of hair, and this hair is from this same wig, so it's the same kind of hair that I'm using. So I got some strands of hair and I folded it in about 4 inch of that hair and just held it together right at the tip. I folded in about 4 inch of the hair because you don't want to have it be shorter than 4 inch. That's the shorter part. The longer part can be as long as possible, not a problem. So I'm holding the two parts of the hair that I folded together, and what I'm trying to do now is to start ventilating the hair. And the ventilating method I'm using is the double split knot method. When I put the ventilating needle through the hair, what I then do is now to put the first strand of hair, and then after I've put the first strand of the hair and pulled through. A clearer, more detailed version of this video is on my private Telegram community. I'm going to show you how I went from what you saw before to what you're seeing right now. So join the paid Telegram community to access the full video. Bye, love. Like and subscribe for more videos.